Hello, my name is Murai. I am head Mutual lawyer at IMS Legal Professional Corporation. In this video, my paralegal Stephanie will explain to you Japanese Family Register Koseki. So Stephanie, please go ahead.
Thank you. Hello, my name is Stephanie, and I'm a paralegal at IMS Legal Professional Corporation. Last video, I talked about the basics of the Family Register, or Koseki, which is a document that proves the identity and family relationships of Japanese people. This time, I would like to explain the different types of family registers that you must know in order to obtain a certified copy of your register. This also includes the difference between a family register copy, or Koseki Tohon, and family register abstract, Koseki Shohon. First, let's talk about the different types. There are actually 3 types of family registers. When you obtain one, you have to specify which of the 3 types you want. The first is the current family register, or Genzai Koseki. As the name implies, it is the newest family register with the current information listed in chronological order. This type is required when applying for a passport, for example. The second type is the closed family register, or Joseki. This refers to withdrawals or removals from the family register due to marriage, death, or establishment of a branch family. If all the members of a family register are removed, the family register will be closed and kept separately from the current register. Copies of this are called a closed family register, Joseki. If the permanent address is changed, a new family register will be created with the new permanent address, so the old family register will be changed to closed and stored as a closed family register, Joseki. In other words, if you look at the closed family register, you can see the past information of anyone who moved to the new family register, as well as the information of anyone who died at the time the closed register was considered current. The third family register type is the reorganized or modified family register, Kaisei Hara Koseki. This is usually abbreviated as Hara Koseki. Due to the revisions in the Family Register law, the content and format of the Family Register may need to change. If such a change is made, then the Family Register will be modified to the new specifications. During this reorganization or modification, the information of those that have already been removed from the register will not be transferred from the old to the new register. This process is called Koseki no Kaisei. When the organization is completed, the new family register becomes the current family register, Genzai Koseki, and at the same time, the old family register that contains a lot of information is stored separately. This old register is stored as a modified family register, Kaisei Hara Koseki. For example, if a child's family register was reorganized after leaving their parents' register due to marriage, even if you require the parent's family register, the information of the child who have already been removed at the time of reorganization will not be listed. Therefore, in order to know the whole and accurate situation of the family relationship, you need to obtain the previous version of the new family register, which is called the Hara Koseki. Until now, there have been many changes made to the family register. For example, the pre-war register was created according to the house. So parents, children, children's spouses, and grandchildren were all included on one family register. However, the law was revised in 1948. Since 3 generations are now prohibited from being listed on the same register, married couples and their unmarried children now have their own family registers as a single unit. In the 1990s, the family register was approved to be processed on the computer. Before then, the family register had been created on paper with a typewriter. In other words, if you were born in 1948 or earlier, in principle, your family register will have been revised twice, so there will be 2 modified registers. Also, the modified family registers are currently stored for 150 years, but before 2010, they were only stored for 80 years, so some of these modified original family registers may have already been discarded. Now that we know the differences between the 3 types of family registers, there's one more thing I would like to explain, and it is the difference between the family register copy, Koseki Tohon, and the family register abstract, Koseki Shohon. First, the family register copy, Koseki Tohon, is a certified copy of all information stored in the family register, so all of the information of each person is listed. On the other hand, the Family Register Abstract, Koseki Shohon, is the information of only one person in the Family Register. If you need to prove your identity, you can get a Family Register Abstract instead, which keeps the rest of your family's information private. In this video, I explain the types of family registers available and the difference between a Family Register copy and an abstract. If it were only one document that recorded information from birth until death, it wouldn't be much of a hassle. But now you know that marriage and even law revisions can cause the register to be divided into multiple documents. Next time, I will explain how to request a family register. If you found this video useful and would like to be notified of the next one, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. In addition, if you would like to obtain your family register and verify your family ties in Japan without the hassle, please let us help. For many years, we have received requests from Nikkei Americans and Japanese residents in the United States to obtain family registers and confirm relationships with their relatives. In Japan, we can efficiently obtain a family register on your behalf by using a professional request form that is only allowed to be used by lawyers with certain national qualifications. As a law firm, we have a legal duty of confidentiality, and your privacy will be completely protected. For inquiries, please contact the Rafu Shimpo in Los Angeles if you live in the United States. Contact information can be found in the description box below this video. We will also include our contact information for those living outside of the United States.
Thank you, Stephanie. Thank you for watching. We hope you'll watch next video too. Thank you.